All right, moving on to the next part of this section is how to find percent change. So there's two basic steps. So step one is to find the amount of change. And step two is to find what percent the amount of change is of the original amount. So you'll notice I'm using this triangle. This triangle is usually used to represent change. This is actually um, the Greek letter delta in uppercase. And, you see this a lot in the sciences. They'll say delta T, and this means change in temperature, or delta lowercase t, and this might be change in time, things like that. So I'm just kind of introducing this symbol to you so you get used to seeing it and knowing what it means. All right, so in step one, how do you find the amount of change? So the amount of change is equal to the new amount minus the original amount. And then in step two, change is what percent of the original amount. So we're going to be using our methods for calculating percentages to help us out with step two. So let's look at this first example. So it says the California governor proposed raising community college fees from $36 a unit to $46 a unit. Find the percent change, and let's round to the nearest tenth of a percent. Okay, so the change is going to be the new amount minus the original amount. Okay, and the new amount, so see here, $36 a unit. That was the original, and 46 is the new. So the new amount is 46, and the original amount is 36. So we can go ahead and plug those in here. Again, this is step one, sorry. And so our change is going to be the new amount, which is 46, minus our original amount, which is 36, and that's 10. So our amount of change was $10. Step two says use that amount of change you just calculated to determine what percent of the original amount. So the percent change is going to be equal to the change over the original amount. All right, so percent change is equal to the change over the original amount. So the change we just calculated to be 10, and the original amount was 36. So when we take 10 and we divide it by 36, we get 0.2777 repeating. And if we convert that to a percentage, we need to move the decimal place over 2. So we get 27.77 repeating. And this gave us instructions to round it to the nearest tenth. So this is the tenth. So we need to look at the digit to the right of that marked rounding place. And this tells us we need to round up that 7. So we're going to have 27.8%. So because this is a word problem, we're going to write out our answer. So percent change in community college fees is positive 27.8%. All right, let me give you the answer for the next thing pair share, and you can give that a try. And we'll go through it together after this video. So the percent change you should calculate is 8.8%. All right, give that a try.